Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm 22. This is my review on Instasmile veneers. I've just wrote some questions down. Which Instasmile do you have? Hi, I have the classic veneers in shade BL1 and I got the straight looking ones. What made you want to buy them? I've always wanted the celebrity bright white teeth. What do your friends and family think? It was a big change from going from natural teeth to bright white teeth, but yeah, the amount of compliments I've had saying they look natural and you can't tell that they're fake. How do you find eating, drinking and talking with veneers? With my previous veneers I struggled to eat and talk. I had a lisp. Eating was literally impossible, and that's how I managed to break my old ones, because they didn't fit my teeth properly. Are you happy with Instasmile? Yes, I am happy, because they literally, you can get in touch with them so easy. They pick up the phone quick. They reply to you in a few hours when you email them. Where do you wear your veneers? Literally, I don't go out the house with veneers. My morning routine, get ready, and I put my veneers in. No one sees my natural teeth anymore when I'm out the house. Are they comfortable? My previous veneers, they wasn't comfortable at all. My gums really ached, and it's meant to go in like a week or so, but I've had them about 2 months now, and they was really sore. I was so glad to get them out my mouth at the end of the day. But my new veneers, they fit absolutely perfect, and I've had no issues with the achy gums. So yeah, I am happy. This is the before and then after. Thank you for watching. Bye.